Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a laptop screen from this DV3 2155MX. First of all, we're going to replace these 4 screws. On the 2 top, there's 2 on top, and there's 2 on the bottom. Okay, now it's released from the brackets. What you do is want to carefully lift it away and set it on the keyboard. Like that. Okay. Now, what we want to do is, it's going to be secured by some tape. What we want to do is replace and carefully remove the tape. Okay. I went ahead and removed the other laptop screen. And here it is. This is the old one. And now we're going to replace it with the new one. Make sure everything's out of the way. And you want to just plug it in. Okay. Now we're going to test it. Just to make sure, before we go any further, that it works. And voila, it works. I'll turn it off and unplug the power source. And continue with installation.